A supreme leader got killed and our petrol prices are about to go crazy. Okay, real quick. On February 28th, US and Israel launched a massive airstrike on Iran. Operation Epic Fury. That's literally what they've called it. 200 fighter jets. That's the biggest Israeli air operation ever. And by the end of this operation, Iran's supreme leader, Ali Khamenei, was confirmed dead and Iran is retaliating back. They're hitting Qatar, UAE, Saudi Arabia and Iraq. The entire Middle East is on fire. Now you are thinking this is a war happening far away from us. What does this have to do with us? The answer is in two words, Strait of Hormuz. This is a tiny stretch of water, 33 kilometers wide, between Iran and UAE. 20 million barrels of oil passes through this strait every single day. That's 20% of world's oil supply and Iran just blocked it in the attacks. India imports 90% of its oil. 50% of that comes through this strait. 60% of our LNG gas cylinders comes from Qatar and UAE. They also pass through Hormuz. So this is very much of our problem. Brent crude is up 2.9%. climbing every hour. Gold smashed 1.73 lakh per 10 grams. All-time record. Crude oil reaches $100. Then our petrol prices hikes rupees 10 to rupees 12 per liter. Every $1 increase in crude costs India $2 billion in imports. So it's not just petrol. It's our LPG cylinders, our grocery prices and our flights too. Okay, but before you panic, India has a plan. Our oil minister himself told in the parliament that India has 74 days of oil reserves right now. Our prime minister was chairing an emergency security meeting last night exactly on this. India is also ramping up oil imports from Russia. That's completely avoid Strait of Hormuz. Smart, right? But here's the truth. If this war drags more than 74 days, we will feel it in our wallets. This war is happening thousands of kilometers away, but this still showed up at our petrol pumps. That's globalization. Do follow to stay updated. Thank you to everyone who's watching and subscribing. Your support keeps me moving forward.